Hello, you're welcome to another tutorial. So in today's tutorial, we'll be looking at this simple text animation in After Effects. Kindly subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Okay, so here we are in After Effects. So for the first text animation, let's add the tracking property to this. Okay, so for the tracking animator, we'll be adding scale. Okay, scale. So now let's adjust the tracking amount. Adjust it in such a way that all the text character will feel like a square, something like that. So for this scale, we are adjusting just the x-axis. So turn this off so that you can adjust this. Let's turn this to 0. Okay, so now advance, we change this shape to ramp up. So offset this minus 100, keyframe this, start, then 100. So see what that looks like. Okay, let's easy ease this. Easy ease. Then let's go to this speed graph. Let's adjust this graph. Okay, so now you have something like this. Let's turn on the, okay, is this on already? Okay, motion blur icon. Okay, good. So this is this for the first text animation. So for this second text animation, let's add the okay, so for the second text animation, let's add the blur. Okay. So for this blur animator, we'll be adding the opacity to it. Okay, now let's adjust this blur. Okay. Then let's change this opacity to 0. So for the offset, okay, advance, let's change this advance, the shape to ramp up. Then offset this to minus 100, keyframe that, then 200. Let's easy is this. Easy is okay. Then turn on the motion blur icon as well. Okay, something like that. Good. Okay. So for the third text animation, let's add tracking again. Tracking. So for this tracking animator, we'll be adding opacity as well. Opacity. Okay. So let's adjust the tracking just the same way we did earlier. Okay. Then the opacity, let's change this to 0. So this time around, instead of using the offset, we'll be using the start. Okay, start. So start from 0, and this will make this faster. This 20 frames, put this and twist to 100. Then let's easy this. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Good. Okay, so let's keep this on already. Okay. Alright, so we have something like that. So thank you for joining to this tutorial. Kindly subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.